Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is Akshi, your host, and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. So in this particular video, I'm going to be talking about Roman Reigns. So everybody has been talking about the recently, change attire of Roman Reigns, the heel turn. What's going to be the plan of WWE with this heel character? How Roman Reigns is going to be respond? How Paul Heyman is going to be playing a vital role? So everything about Roman Reigns will be in this video, and every question will be answered. So stay tuned. Okay, so recently, when Roman Reigns returned on SummerSlam, everybody thought that Roman Reigns will have a different character, but nobody thought that he will be, turning a heel, proper heel alongside Paul Heyman. So that was one of the shocking moments of SmackDown, I would say. See, the thing is very much clear right now. Roman Reigns is the proper heel of SmackDown roster. So, Roman Reigns was the face in his entire career until this SummerSlam. So let's be very honest, WWE didn't get that kind of a popularity or that kind of a vibe from the audience every time he used to be the champion, whether it beats Brock Lesnar, whether it beats Braun Strowman, whether it beats other superstar, he always becomes a victim and the fans used to boo him. So the face turn or the face attire of Roman Reigns didn't work at all. When he left the Shield, I think his character needs to be more, more creatively written. That was quite mistaken. So I would rather say that even the face turn also didn't work well. So WWE tried something different, and this time with Paul Heyman. So I think the decision, I'm quite happy with the decision, because we all wanted Roman Reigns to be something different, because we all got bored with the way Roman Reigns has been shown by WWE. He is just the face, he's the baby face. He always will protect the roster, he will protect the locker room, he will never dominate it. So this is the time for Roman Reigns to change the path of his career. This can be one of the turning point of his career, being the heel character alongside a Paul Heyman guy, because there are so much less superstar who have become the Paul Heyman guy, and those who have become the Paul Heyman guy, their track record really have a good thing, and we all know the names. So Roman Reigns has a possibility that when the fans will be returning into the arena, maybe we can see a different sign of Roman Reigns. Maybe the fans will cheer for Roman Reigns because the character is strong. He's a good wrestler. He has also good mic skill. So there is no doubt about it, but right now his character needs to be developed. His character needs more and more shades. Right now that is going to be given to Roman Reigns. And also the inside news is that Roman Reigns will not going to be dropping the title until 2021. So there is a big time for Roman Reigns to show his heel character. And Roman Reigns is also trying his best, even though he has a face where his face cutting is a bit of a face superstar. He has been one of the most popular superstar in this generation. Not only that, he is one of the main attraction of WWE right now, along with Seth Rollins. So everything will be on his shoulder, but still he have to play the heel character. In 2015, when Seth Rollins become the heel, everybody used to love it. At the same time, when Seth Rollins become the face, again everybody loved him. So this is the way, you have to be very much comfortable in each and every zone. So I believe Roman Reigns has the proper chance, and WWE has given the chance in a proper right time. He's right now the Universal Champion, and he will be getting different opponents, whether it's Fiend, whether it's Uso, whether it's anyone, whether it's Strowman, whether it's AJ Styles, anyone. So he has to give his best, not on the on the ring. He will definitely give a good fight to everyone, but on the mic skill, as a heel person, because Paul Heyman will definitely be there to help. But I think if the script will be written very much good for him, the character will be more and more developed. So the plan about Roman Reigns is very much strong. WWE will definitely give a huge push to Roman Reigns as a heel character, and he will be champion for a long time right now. So let's see how WWE give him the opponents, because the opponents are really important. Whenever because Jey Uso has been given to Roman Reigns, right now the rivalry will be very much interesting. It's cousin versus cousin. So if in the Hell in a Cell we get some new opponent, it can be anyone. So that becomes more and more interesting. So Roman Reigns needs to develop his character, needs to change his attitude, which he is changing, which is really good. If you ask me that which is a better version of Roman, the face Roman or the heel Roman, I really like the heel Roman, and I want to explore more about this. So I want Roman Reigns to be as a heel character for some time now. We can also might be seeing a feud between heel Roman versus face Brock Lesnar. So there are many possibilities. WWE can now nurture the character of Roman Reigns in a very good way. So I support this character, and please let me know in the comment that how you like this character, because the videos of heel turn of Roman Reigns is also getting good reaction. So he will be popular, but let's just be popular in a different way right now. So let's see what happens. Let's see how WWE creative team goes with Roman Reigns, whatever the thinking is. So I really support the heel Roman, and I hope that his alongside his character, his storylines become also solid. Storyline becomes also good. So let's see what happens. Overall, I'm really enjoying this phase of Roman Reigns. So this is the thing that I wanted to share. And after a long time, I'm seeing a new attire of Roman Reigns, and I'm really happy with that. So the face of Raw, that is Seth Rollins, is also heel. The face of SmackDown, Roman Reigns, is also heel. So everything is heel right now. So let's see how WWE proceed. So this is the thing that I wanted to share with you. I hope you like it. Please like, share, and please comment what are your reactions, and please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.